guys, welcome back to TaylorMade TV. On today, I'm doing a really quick updo on my braids. I got my braids for two reasons. One, I was in a girlfriend's wedding and going on vacation. So I shared a couple of pictures of the wedding and I got a lot of questions on how did I achieve my updo with my kinky twist. So if you guys want to know how I got that look for the wedding, stay tuned. So basically here for this, it doesn't take a whole lot. You're just gonna need two tools. First one, bobby pin, like a little scrunchie. And the only product that I used for this style was gel, and you can use any kind of gel of your choosing. So basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna just part from ear to ear. And I don't know if you're one of those where it has to be super straight, then don't make it. And it doesn't matter how much you put. So I don't know if you can see it or not. And so basically the back I did last. And I would say also get a clip as well, just to have it handy. So I'm just gonna use one clip. So with the first half of your hair, basically all you're going to do is flat twist it. That's all it is, just a flat twist. You take hair over, add your hair, but you keep the two separate. And as you do this, you're gonna take a little bit more hair, twist it, keep them separate. Now this is just the way I flat twist, okay? Take another piece, add a little bit of hair, twist it, keep them separate. Add a little bit more hair, twist it, add a little bit more hair. Well, I haven't added any. A little bit of hair, twist it, add a little bit of hair, twist it. This last piece, well, it's from the back and that's okay. Twist it. Okay. Now, there it is. So, you now have your front piece, okay? Second piece. And what I did was, I just started a flat twist here. Very simple. And once I got over here on this side, just twisted it extremely tight. And what you can do is just pull this down. Now, I took these two pieces, I twisted this way, and I twisted the other one this way, just like that. And all you're gonna do is just take it and pin it. And that is just that simple. See guys, just like that. So the first thing you're gonna do is, of course, secure your little bun back here. Secure your little bun. That's the very first thing that you're gonna do is secure your little bun. And you're just gonna secure it enough. You don't want to make it extremely tight. And like your top bun, you're just gonna, I'm just sticking a pin here. And I'm gonna stick another pin like right here. I don't know if you can see it. And just for my back, just to make sure that it doesn't go anywhere, I'm just gonna do one more nail off in it. I'm gonna do another one because it feels a little loose. Fix them just a little bit, cover up some of your parts. But yeah, in style for a wedding or for any type of formal event that you have. You can even add, go to like your beauty supply store, you can get, you know, your little rhinestone that's on your bobby pin, just put them in there, or you can get flour, whatever your thing is, to jazz it up if you want. So that's all I have for you guys today. Very short and quick updo with Kinky Twist. If you guys have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below. And until the next video, guys, thank you so much for tuning in to TaylorMade TV. Have a blessed one. Bye.